Don't be insecure.
Oh,
this is a good investment, boys. We've swapped the Ford Fiesta Part X it for this. Don't be laughing at me, bro, because this is like...
This is 100 horsepower, bro.
100?
No, 55.
It's got no muffler. It's due to have no bumper. But don't be laughing and giggling, mate. This is an investment. This is our Bitcoin in 2009. Get me? It's had a bit of respray. Like, stand next to a model, innit? What is there to say about this one? I mean, it's a bit... Is that a reversing camera?
Yeah, I installed it myself, bro.
Why, G?
I don't really use it that much, bro.
You don't need to, cause there's only this much behind you. Just don't hit the tree, you twat. Boys, it's 5 what is it?
6 AM, bro.
Oh, 6 it's not even that bad now.
Bro, it's bro. You wanna drive it first?
Yeah, go on.
I'm gonna lock my door for you, bro.
What?
You have to reach up.
You know, you put it from your side, innit?
I can't, bro.
This got a handle. No, got a handle, this one.
No, it does, bro.
Oh, come on, cause we'll have to go round and open it up. What? I just open
You
it.
could've just given me the key, bro.
No, but you told me to do it from inside. Bro, am I a dickhead on about unlocking the passenger door with the key?
I'm the passenger, bro.
No, you do it from inside, man. That's old. Wait, there's a bit of... You sprayed up your window.
Me, bro.
Yo, have you not got a stencil?
I look like Bob the Builder, bro.
What? Oh, shit. You want me to do the window?
No, bro. Look, the handle.
Oh, bloody hell. I'll allow it, because I know I had my Weetabix today, innit? Oh, f***, man, you got Rizzler in the car. They're going to think I'm a twat. You've de-spec'd it to put a water cable in.
Yeah, bro.
You sacrificed your heated seats to charge your phone.
Bro, this did nothing.
Oh. Yo, that's cold start, innit?
Yeah.
Something dodgy going on with this
one.
one.
Bro, I'm freezing.
That's like the morning cockerel, innit?
Bro, listen. I'm trying my best.
Why is it doing that? What's wrong with it?
No muffler, bro.
No muffler. No pop filter on this one.
It has pops and bangs by itself.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yo, this car's loud. This is way better than my Fiesta. That was shit.
My Fiesta was sick, bro.
Oh shit. It's like lucky dip, unlucky dip. Where the hell is that gone? Nah, it was alright while it lasted, but this is... Yo, why is it doing...
They're sick of it.
Oh, I'm not in the mood today. I just want to buy one nice car, yeah, and call it a day. I'm sick of this.
Bro, this is like 10 out of 10, bro. Look, bro, it's seriously doozy. Did you have that in your Fiesta, mate?
Nah, I had diarrhea in my Fiesta in the back seat.
No, mate, you had a whole biology lesson in that Fiesta.
The Fiesta's gone, boys. I actually Part X'd it for this. Yo, we inside dealership, cuz.
Bro, listen. Just give me a pack of Weetabix, bro, honestly.
Yo, this sounds kind of nice. Innit?
When you do a proper pull.
Oh, this is a bit nice, innit? It's a bit like you chuck it, point there, it goes there.
Bro, listen, when I tell you this is probably one of the best 1.2 cars you can buy, it genuinely is.
Is that what it is at 1.2?
Yeah, no, you see that beats it though. That's work of art.
That's old school course to that. You can't hit it.
You reckon you get ULEZ on that?
Who'd you call me, a Les? Oh, I'm one of them, man, at 3 AM.
Bro, look at that portal.
Hey, yo, I'm feeling fantastic, Mr. Fox, you know. Alright. What's going on?
Don't ask me questions, bro.
Nah, I'm cold. Patting it for me, innit?
Roll it up.
Yo, it sounds alright, innit?
No, man. No, just wind it up.
Nah, I'm getting wound up, cause it's not winding up. Oh, cause this is my merch.
Since when did you have merch?
I made it yesterday.
We've got the Rizzy merch, 10 out of 10, mate. Not the Ford Fiesta, but you got something better, mate. They are 32 Rizline. See that? Absolutely solid.
I wrote my name on it, And then I wrote it, translated it in Chinese because I just thought, putting my name on a shirt's a bit batty, innit? What is this, secondary school? Yeah.
Shaolin Rizzy.
But then, yeah, no, it's a nice hoodie. Trust me, it's for sale now. It's got hoodie. I bought a domain, £1 a year. Like, I fucking paid it £1 a year. I bought it from 12 Entereg or something. What's it called? 123 Entereg. It's called rizzy.store. The link's at the top of my description. The hoodies are nasty. I'd love to show you, but I'm driving the fox, innit? You think I'm mocking it, yeah? These are good pieces, big hoods, proper designs.
Oh, look.
Yeah, a bit of
he's whizzing it.
Morning race going on. You need to sleep. You might as well doze off. I'll record the video. I'll wake up when I'm done.
Mate, listen, when I'm 3 seconds away from losing my life, do you really think I want to be asleep?
Why was you losing your life?
You're still not driving the car how it's supposed to be driven.
No, because this is city POV. This is chilled. And the next POV is thinking, innit? There's no point doing 120 in city centre, is it?
Mate, what do you mean 120? The car can't reach.
It says 140. What does yours do? 60?
92, bro.
No.
I've got it to 99, though.
Yo, you was on the hill, innit?
I was on the hill going down.
Yo, I might have to blur that, you know. That's looking fucking strange. What's the point in making it look like that? Just put a pin in there. Yo, the car sound nice, you know. Why is
Roll on the window, bro. Listen to the pops and bangs.
Has it actually got pops and bangs?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah.
I didn't hear it.
You used to get to high revs.
What, are they gonna be a pop?
Bro, this fits right there.
Is it gonna be like a pop?
Oh, no, not that loud, bro. What do you think this is? It's a 1.2, mate.
Why are you scared of the feds for? What have you done?
Speeding, bro.
Oh, well, I'm not speeding. I'm doing bloody 29. You're allowed to do 29 because the max is there. I'm doing even better.
You know what?
In an hour, I'll be doing a mile or less. Didn't even speed up.
I'm going up a hill, man. Allow it.
The revs were there, the gear was there. Why is it doing bloody cruise control? This, I reckon, is an upgrade on my Fiesta, you know, because the Fiesta didn't sound like this. When's the next MOT due?
December.
We're alright till Christmas, isn't it?
You know what I've noticed? You don't have a phone holder in any of the cars you have.
Why the hell would I have a phone holder?
It bothers me because
I got on my hand to hold my phone. And then look what's happened to the camera. Why is it there?
What is that?
It's a camera. Well, it used to be. Now it's a fucking selfie stick, innit?
Have you seen those new AI cameras?
Nah, man. Why? What are they catching me for?
Bro, they're in London. They catch you for seatbelts, phone usage.
I don't really do none of that though. What, speeding as well?
Yeah, but from both lanes.
Oh, we're finished. What about no insurance? That's a common one with
Yeah, that's AMPR, just sees if you have insurance or not.
Bloody hell, you're like the bearer of bad news, innit? What are you, Daily Mail, coming into my life and telling me everything's about to go left? Boys, if you want to feature your car in a POV drive, it will be driven respectfully just like this one. Message me on Instagram, Rizzy Elbow, or email me ramsbusiness@gmail. That'll be both of them in the description. If you're willing to come to Nottingham, come down, we'll make a lovely day out of it. I'll wine and dine you. Let's get as many POVs on anything, bro. If you've got an electric scooter, let me know, bring it down. I'll POV it, mate. America, yeah, slowly taking over everything. Someone got to go over there.
We've got war going on and they're worried about implementing AI cameras.
Honestly, one of us has got to head down to America and kick off. I'm saying me and you. Let's go down there. Let's catch a flight, fly out, have talks with Trump and that.
Yeah,
Let's diffuse it a bit.
What do you mean AI cameras?
Why are you so upset by it though? This means that you break the law. Yo, I love the handling of this.
You're sick of it.
What? You got interior lighting?
Yeah, but they're out of battery.
Yo, what is it with you and your fake dreams, man? I honestly like the car, you know.
Was it your first time driving one?
Yeah, I've never driven a Fox. Kind of reminds me of an Op though.
I mean, the Ops are based on this.
Are they?
Yeah.
That dash looks just like an Op. It don't feel like an Op though. It feels much better built. I'm guessing because it's a bit older, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, you know what's so crazy about these cars? Like when they were brand new, you could buy them for £6,000.
What, brand new £6,000? Yeah, that's when VW was for the people. Up until they got caught doing their diesel scam, now they're just for the twats. This is no veneer near. Proper Oakwood furniture land, that.
This is sick, mate. You don't even have lights on your mirrors.
Yeah, because you don't need them. Lights on your mirrors is something to go wrong. Red Cali's on the Volvo. Come on then, lad.
I don't know how much shit I've got left.
We'll What's that? Is that where you sprayed your car? Yo, check it. You can see the spray.
What is that?
Nah, you can see the spray on his window from inside. What was you spraying, G? Because the car's still.
I don't remember.
I think the sprayer was facing you, mate.
You know the door handles, they were black, I sprayed them red.
Yo, you do black backed it, yeah. Oh, you got 5 speed.
Yeah, it is 5 speed, bro, and reverse.
And reverse, yeah. I hope it's got reverse, mate. This is a nice screen, that, you know. This is like a bit like a TomTom.
It's actually decent.
It's a TomTom, innit?
Yeah, it has its own speakers built in.
Does it?
Yeah.
What's wrong with the car speakers?
This one doesn't work.
Yo,
yeah, I need the backup, bro.
bare shit on this car don't work. I've asked a lot of things today, yeah?
Yeah, the indicator here doesn't work either, bro.
Pedestrians everywhere have gone a bit stupid now, you know.
I don't think they have a bit of a brain left.
That's the way. We live in scary times, cause
I see people crossing the road without even checking left or right, they're just on their phones.
I've said this bare times, you know. There's just no survival
the road
instinct
doesn't
over
belong
there.
to them, mate. You can fit S3 entrances to this.
What, you're gonna R32 the thing?
Hell no.
Why not?
I'm gonna spend like 7 grand.
Yeah, but 7 grand miles per gallon, innit?
Yeah, but bro. Like,
Yo, the car's loud. We'll get a fried egg. Do you want me to make you breakfast?
Nottingham's a nice area, you know.
You like it, yeah?
Yeah.
It's not an area, it's a city, really. But yeah, this is a nice part of it.
I still got the old ones in the back.
He's struggling with his sunriser as well. Is he getting that hot? He ain't gonna see ya.
He's airing me, bro.
He's doing a thirst trap. You see him? How did you break that? How did you break that window? It's not
even finished yet.
Oh, someone broke the door, man. They had to put a wooden plank on it and twats. How are you gonna get in, you dickhead? Yo, it handles sexy.
I know, man. Like they really started messing up their cars after the art.
What you reckon now about 2015? I reckon the 2015 ones, or after 2018, anything they started making then. There might be the odd exception, but it just went downhill.
Like, even the build quality and everything is so bad now.
The build quality's been dead for time.
It's
Though.
like the same with McLaren though, you know. Like the build quality is so bad with them cars.
That's why I didn't buy one.
Yeah, same, my car now.
That's why I buy these innit?
Yeah, when I went to buy cars, it was telling me Ferrari had like 12 miles per gallon. Looked at this 40, yeah, that's why I bought this instead.
This scrappage was there as well.
Why is he?
Not sure. You might as well have walked in it. Might as well just do piggyback charge for them. Just driving at that speed, you know what I'm saying?
People that actually make me angry the most are Uber drivers.
What? Just pulling over and that in front of you?
It's not even that, bro. Like, they'll be checking their phones trying to look for pickup rides and they don't realise there's about 20 people behind them.
No, but they're trying to keep on the hybrid mode, innit? So they gotta take it slow. But this is 960 kg.
Yeah.
What am I?
I don't know.
What am I roughly? What are you?
I'm like 80, bro.
So you nearly weigh as much as the Fox.
Bro, the car's so spacious.
You're a good market, you're a good salesman, you know.
It's a very nice, cheap budget car. Insurance isn't too expensive on it. It took me less than half a tank to get to Nottingham from London.
That's quite good, isn't it? And you drive silly as well. Fucking fantastic, Mr. Fox over here, man.
What do you eat for breakfast, bro?
I don't really eat it. If I have it, I had like oat, granola and fruit. And then sometimes I eat boiled egg. And sometimes I just eat protein shake.
You eat a protein shake?
Drink it then. Oh, you get the picture, man. Ends up in my tummy. Why do you want terminology for? You clearly understood what I want about.
Do you want to eat some water as well?
Bumper's a bit dodgy on this one.
Yeah, bro,
How comes that's happened?
I was at a four-way junction, innit? It was my right away. And then this Audi A1 decided, yeah, let me just keep going. So I've taken him out of the car now, yeah.
You dragged him out, the A1?
Pretty much. And I said to him, like, what are you doing, mate? He said, I couldn't see anything, so I just decided to go. I kid you not. That was his response to hitting my car. I couldn't see anything.
And now look, thanks to him, I got a bargain today.
You know what she gave me?
Yeah.
For the bumper, 250.
What did you want to do? Replace the car? Shut up, mate. You know what I'm saying? Nasty car, this.
You get extra sleep, innit?
This is you, yeah? And this was
I'm
me.
stressing driving, you're just sleeping, bro. A 3-hour trip was like a 2-second nap to you. Wait, how does it say thank you to 31? That's still over the speed limit.
No, but that's alright, innit? It's just one.
So that's 32 is a problem.
Not sure, but apparently if I do this, yeah, is alright. This, endangering lives. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, what lives are there right now?
Our lives, G. Your life, my guy. You put yourself on a pedestal in my books. You mean a lot to me.
Really? I'm excited now. Forget the phone.
Should we turn this camera off and do another video?